Here we are, one of the most busiest places in Melbourne. I want to show you different ways to carry out frequent cleaning. There's deep cleaning and frequent cleaning. So we have some skyVac products, whether petrol or electric. We're going to do high internal dusting. This place is absolutely chaotic from the early morning right through till early hours of that following morning, when it distributes a majority of produce throughout Melbourne. So follow us through frequent cleaning. So high different variations of brushes that are available to suit different applications. We're actually using the Elite poles. High dusting can come in 44mm paper fit. The Elite pole has some great features, and with the vacuum release we can use that as well on insulation and be able to vary the suction from the vacuum dump in the handle. So this is frequent cleaning. Deep cleaning would be of a different nature. So it just shows you the versatility. And we are using a petrol vac. To do some high dusting. Carbon poles go to 12 metre, they're 280 grams a pole, so super lightweight. Camera systems that can be set up to enable you to see what's going on at height. That's skyVac Australia. See all the information, pricing at ionixsystems.com.au. Check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.